Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on Whonix adds an extra layer of security to your system. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Install required packages. Begin by opening a terminal in Whonix and installing the necessary packages for 2FA. You can use the command sudo apt-get install lib and Google Authenticator to install the Google Authenticator package. Step 2. Configure Google Authenticator. Run the command Google Authenticator in the terminal. This will generate a QR code and a secret key. Follow the prompts to configure your preferences such as time-based tokens and backup codes. Step 3. Update PAM configuration. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Configure SSH daemon. Next, you need to modify the SSH daemon configuration. Open the file /etc/ssh/sshd config in a text editor and ensure that challenge response authentication is set to yes. Save the changes and exit the editor. Step 5. Restart SSH service. Finally, restart the SSH service to apply the changes. Use the command sudo system to restart SSH to restart the service. Your two-factor authentication should now be enabled and ready for use. By following these steps, you can effectively secure your Whonix system with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your backup codes in a safe place.